This isn't just an accessory, it's a complete transformation for your home gym. Can a simple add-on truly elevate your existing squat stand to a full-blown half-rack powerhouse? We're diving into the Fitvids SF-SS1 half-rack conversion kit, and let me tell you, it promises to do exactly that. Imagine having the flexibility of a squat stand, but craving the added stability and storage of a half-rack. This kit is designed specifically for the signature fitness SF-SS1 squat stand, turning it into a much more robust piece of equipment. It's important to remember, though, that this doesn't include the original squat stand itself. You're buying the upgrade. What you get are 2 additional uprights, which immediately boost the overall stability. This isn't just about feeling safer, it's about expanding your exercise possibilities with confidence. These new uprights connect seamlessly with branded connector bars, ensuring a cohesive and sturdy structure. It really feels like it was always meant to be this way, not just an afterthought. One of the standout features, and something many home gym enthusiasts will appreciate, is the integrated weight plate storage. You get 8 weight plate holders, 4 on each of those new uprights. This is fantastic for keeping your gym tidy, and crucially, adds even more stability to the entire setup. Loading up those Olympic plates, which fit perfectly with their 2-inch openings, helps anchor the rack, making heavy lifts feel incredibly secure. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in practical use. Once converted, your setup will stand at an impressive 82.67 inches tall, with a width of 49.21 inches and a depth of 48.81 inches. These dimensions are substantial, giving you plenty of space to work within, whether you're squatting, benching, or performing overhead presses. It truly feels like a dedicated half-rack, not just a modified squat stand. The added depth, in particular, provides a much more secure footprint, which is essential when you're pushing your limits. The build quality, as expected from Fitvids, feels solid. The 3x3-inch uprights of the original stand are complemented perfectly by these additions, maintaining that heavy-duty feel. It's clear this kit isn't just about adding parts. It's about enhancing the entire user experience, making your workouts safer and more efficient. For anyone who owns the SF-SS1 squat stand and is looking to take their home gym to the next level without buying an entirely new rack, this conversion kit is an absolute game-changer. It transforms a great squat stand into an amazing, versatile half-rack, offering incredible value and functionality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.